Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable the Shake to show the boarding pass on the Korean Air application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my cool YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Go to your home page and tap on this account button in the upper right corner of the screen. After that, tap on the settings button at the top next to the X icon. Then scroll down to the convenience features section, and here you can find the Shake to show boarding pass, meaning that after launching the app, when you shake your phone, you will so the boarding pass immediately will be displayed to you if you tap on this button. So you just need to shake your phone, and then your boarding pass will be at your disposal on this application. If you would like to disable it, just come back to this section and click on the same button to turn it off. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.